Hey there, fellow self-publishers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting for you. We will show you how you can format your ebook and paperback with Kindle Create. So let's get started. To download this software, go to Google and search Kindle Create. Open the website and choose the option whether you want it for PC or Mac. You can also add attractive chapter styles, content tables, and most importantly, you can see how your book will be viewed on different mediums and how viewers will see it. You can create all kinds of books through this. So download it and open it. If have your book content ready in a Word file, then select the option Create New. And now click on Choose. Now select Choose File and click on the book file you already have. It will automatically start formatting your book. You can check if the content heading, if they are accurate, then click on Accept. Now see your whole book is automatically formatted. You can cross-check if all the titles are and content is added. If you want to add manually, then you can also add it. Just copy the content and paste it here. Make changes according to the requirement, like highlight important ones. Also set the title, then remove unnecessary spaces, and it's ready. You can also add separator for your content or stories. Let's add it for all the stories. Now let's make it more attractive by adding the drop. This will change the first alphabet more bold and make it more attractive. Let's add it for all the stories. You can also change the font style. Select all the content and choose a font style. These are the most suitable font styles for the books, and you can choose any of these. You can also change the font size, but make sure it's not more than 12. 11 and 12 are ideal. You can also change colors. Bold the text as well. You can also change the alignments. Make sure you keep this one for the books. Now let's add the title page. Write the title and subtitle, and then author name, and publisher and logo. If there is any for the book, then click on Create Page. Now add a copyright page. Add the name of the author and the year of publishing. And now add the copyrights. You can get it through ChatGPT. Paste it here and then Create Page. Now add a dedication page. Write the content on ChatGPT. Copy it and paste it here, and then Create Page. Now let's add Table of the Contents. Select Table of Contents and click on OK. Now to add about the author section, write the author name, description and image if you want to add, then click on Create Page. Now add book series page. Add series title, stories for kids age 8 to 10. Add description and the number of books in the series. For example, 2. Add the book titles and to add the links for the books. Copy the links one by one and paste it, and then click on Create Page. Now our ebook is ready. Now let's see how it looks. Go to Preview and keep scrolling to see how the content looks. This is how readers will see your book. See if whole content is aligned properly. Also, you can check through all 3 options like tablet, phone, and Kindle e-reader. Also, you can check if it's by vertical and horizontal position. So this is how you can easily check how the readers view your book. Once all is okay, then you can select Export Book and select the option KPF or EPUB. KPF is recommended for Amazon. Select this and export your book. Your book will be saved, and now you can upload this and publish your ebook. Now for paperback, let's set the Word file. Set the title. Add the table of contents. Add copyright page. Add about the author section. Then add books in this series. To add links, right-click on the title, and then click on Link option. Add the link and click on OK. Add for all the books. Now update again the table of contents. Select entire table. Now select all and change the font style if you want to change. Garamond is recommended font. Set all the pages and make sure all the titles are on the new pages. Now to make it more attractive, let's add a drop. Go to Insert and then select Drop Cap and clock on Dropped. Do the same for all the stories. Now our paperback is almost ready. Update the entire table of the contents again to make sure all the titles and pages are aligned. Now save it as PDF. Now have a look at the book if everything is aligned. There you go. Your paperback is also ready to publish. This is how you can publish your ebook and paperback both. That's all from this tutorial. If you have found this tutorial valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more informative videos. Leave a comment below if you need any help. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.